Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, on the ceremony of the promotion of the officers ng Artikulo La Ciudad. The National Commission on AFULCOM has submitted to the Committee of the Promotion of the City Police Officers ng Artikulo La Ciudad. Nanumpa tayo bilang mga alagad ng mga batas at panatiling kapayapaan ng Artikulo La Ciudad. Summing up all our accomplishments, single-minded devotion to our goal has led us to achieve great success from small win successes. Allow me to commend the competent and dedicated police officers of Artikulo La Ciudad that despite tremendous challenge and remain strong and committed to serve and to protect. Congratulations and keep up the good work. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to greet you a pleasant day in behalf of Government of Artikulo La Ciudad by General Order 792615. Ang promotion na ito ay binibigay sa mga police officers ng Artikulo La Ciudad matapos nilang may ipakita ang lahat ng kagalingan sa PNP dahil sa kanilang husay at galing at sa mga misyon at operasyon laban sa mga kriminal na sumisira sa kaayusan at kapayapaan ng ating syudad. Lagi nilang pinamamalas ang kanilang katapangan at kahandaan anumang oras at okasyon. Kamakailan lang, pinapakita nila ang paghuli sa kriminal at iligtas ang mga sibilyan sa posibleng kapahamakan. Binibigay nila tayo ng mabuting ehemplo kung paano maging isang tapat at mabuting alagad ng batas. By General Order 7926, pursuant to NAPOLCOM Resolution 6789, name of officers and rank is hereby promoted to lateral entry effective at this day. Police Brigadier General Luis Fujiwara is hereby promoted into Police Major General ng Artikulo La Ciudad. Police Major General Luis Fujiwara. Police Colonel Juaneda Fujiwara hereby promoted as a Police Brigadier General. Police Brigadier General Juaneda Fujiwara. Police Lieutenant Felix Cervantes is hereby promoted as Police Captain. Police Trainee Prince Matias is hereby promoted as a Police Patrolman. Ako si
Felix.
Julio Zamora. Ako si Luis Fujiwara.
ay tinalaga sa katungkulan bilang
Sa kapulan
bilang
na time team nanunumpa. Natutuparin ko ang husay
Natuparin ko ang husay
at katapatan
at katapatan
sa abot ng aking kakayahan.
sa abot ng aking kakayahan.
Ang mga katungkulang inaatang
Ang mga katungkulan na inatang
sa aking may kapangyarihan
sa aking may kapangyarihan
sa pamahalaan ng Artikulo La Ciudad
sa pamahalaan ng Artikulo La Ciudad
na aking itataguyod
itataguyod
at ipagtatanggol
at ipagtatanggol.
na susundin ko ang mga batas,
Susundin ko ang mga batas,
kautosang legal
kautosang legal
at mga negretong pinaiiral
at ang mga rekretong pinaiiral
na mga sadyang tinakdang
sa mga sadyang tinakdang
may kapangyarihan
may kapangyarihan
at kusang babalikatin
at kusang babalikatin
ang mga pananagutang ito
ang mga pananagutang ito
na walang hangaring umiwas
Ring Umiya.
Kasi nawa ako ng Diyos.
Kaya nawa
We gather to witness today the momentous occasion of the Artikulo La Ciudad, the taking of the newly promoted police officers. I stand before you with great pride to congratulate our outstanding officers on their well-deserved promotion. May this be another milestone in your career to inspire your further to implement an overseas crucial initiative aimed to provide public safety and security in our city. As you embark your new role in the police department, I challenge you to be agents of positive change, the change that we want to establish in our city. As you embrace your promotion today, which is a renewed commitment to be responsible and effective law officers, I entrust you to obligate to be a champion of the program of the PNP. You shall uphold the program and trust of the Chief PNP and all local mandates of our organization. Let us set an example to our men and the community that we are saved and to protect that we are worthy of our sworn position. Kaya narito dahil naniniwala ang organisasyon na may kakayahan kayong gampanan na mas mahusay ang ating sinumpaang tungkulin. Team PNP ng Artikulo La Ciudad, this day marks the new era of our organization. The evolution of the PNP towards greater change, emerging the true champion of the Pilipoy. Moving forward, continue to take pride in the uniforms that we wear and live a life that will translate a great legacy to our next generation who will serve our beloved PNP. Getting the promotion is only not glory and other rather bigger obligation and accountability to the people in the community. The rank only begets respect if you are able to deliver reliable, responsible, timely up public safety and service. Thank you and congratulations again to our newly promoted police officers ng Artikulo La Ciudad. I trust you to the next generation and the commanding of our new police general. Any address to our newly promoted Police Major General Luis Pichiwara?
Maraming salamat General Nair sa binigyan ng pagtitiwala at malugod kong tinatanggap at gagampanan ang aking tungkulin bilang isang Major General. At palagi ko naman sinasabi sa mga ating kabaro na palagi tayong magrespetuhan at malinaw na pagkipag-communicate para maiwasan anumang hindi natin pagkakaintindihan dahil ito lang naman sa akin maging buo tayo dito, dito at may isang paniniwala. And to all my fellow officers, to Police Escort Department, alam ko nandyan kayo para magsilbi para sa ating siyudad at naniniwala rin ako sa ibang departamento na ganun din ang gagawin dahil lahat naman dito, lahat ng meron sa atin ay binigay ng kataas-taasan. I hope na magampanan natin ang kanya-kanya natin siyudad bilang isang police officer. And also, I hereby declare we always put itong mga kataga na serve and protect. Kaya check na lang natin lahat ng isa't isa. Isa lang ang layunin natin. At maisagilid natin ang mga bagay na kailangan natin. Maraming salamat ulit. At look forward din ako sa mga pag-uus natin na balang araw. Baka isa kayo sa magiging official kung ano man ang pinakatayuan namin. At nasa likod nyo lang kami palagi. So, ayun lang po. Maraming salamat ulit sa mga officers, generals, and especially sa ating police general na maraming salamat. Salute to all.
Thank you to our Police Major General Luis Fujiwara. Now may I call our newly promoted Police Brigadier General Juaneda Fujiwara.
Gusto ko lamang po magpasalamat sa ating lahat, lalo na sa ating mga general, sa pagtalaga sa akin dito sa posisyon na ito. Pero itong posisyon naman ito, ranggo lang naman to. Tayo pa rin naman ay pantay-pantay dito. Asahan nyo na gagawin ko ang aking tungkulin para sa ating bayan. Yun lamang.
So, officers, congratulations sa mga bagong nabago. I hope na pamamagitan ng promotion na to, mas lalo natin pagdubuhin ang pagiging police natin. Press yung criminal element dito to reduce the number of criminal activities. Yan lang. Let's do our best and congratulations sa ating lahat. Welcome.
In behalf of my twin brother, Gobernador Jeff Romualdez Arbal, first and foremost, congratulations on your well-deserved promotions. These milestones is a statement or testament to your dedication, hard work, and also the commitment to serving and protect our community. Ito naman ang ating legacy, to serve and protect and abide the peace and order. With this new rank comes greater responsibilities, of course. And di lang yan, kasama din ang mga challenges. But we have no doubt that we will rise to occasion with honor and integrity. Guys, please continue to lead by example, inspire others, and uphold the values of justice and service. We are proud of your achievements and look forward to seeing the impact you make in your new role. Once again, on behalf of my twin brother, Jack Romualdez Arbal, congratulations everyone, and thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
At higit sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoong may kapal sa pambihirang kaayusan natin dito sa departamento at samahan na walang katulad. Maraming salamat ulit. To serve and to protect. Artikulo La Ciudad Police Department is now closing. Congratulations again.